SPX6900 is on a phenomenal run. It doubled this week. It more than 10x this month. Let's have a look at who's actually buying here. Is this manipulation? Is this accumulation by retail? Let's have a look at on-chain metrics most people are not considering. So here we are currently at 11 cents, a market cap of 110 million, and the token is available on Ethereum, the base chain, and Solana. A gain of 18% this week, 123% this month, and almost 30,000% since listing on CoinMarketCap. And that was pretty much 1 year ago. Now here's the nice thing about this meme coin. It's only traded on chain. So we can have directly a look at who's buying, who's selling here. There's no black box in form of centralized exchanges. So we see trading activity on Radium, which means Solana. We also see activity on Ethereum, so via Uniswap. And of course, there's also trading on the base chain. Now on Ethereum, there are roughly 6,000 holders. On Base, there are almost 11,000. And on Solana, there's roughly 3,000. Among the trending tokens, it's at number 10 in terms of liquidity. So that's for the Ethereum chain. There are some meme coins that are larger, of course, but that's where the potential upside is. When the liquidity is at 3.5 million, it's not that unreasonable to see another doubling and tripling in size. Now this massive hockey stick rally did not happen without drama. We are going to look at what happened during the bear markets, because that's a big question. How much potential downside is there? When we look at the prior bear market, which lasted from October of last year to February of this year, we saw the price go down by almost 95%. Who sold here? And could the same kind of people sell yet again? Is this just another pump and dump? We are not going to find the answer to that question on the website. This is simply just a page showing some funny meme videos. And yes, if you're looking for entertainment, feel free to check it out. But it doesn't give us a market edge. The thing that gives us a market edge is to look at the data on chain. And so have a look at the following. Over here, we've got the Ethereum chain-based holders. Over here, we've got the base chain holders. And over here, we've got the holders on Solana. Now on the left side, we see the number of wallets that have at least 10,000 tokens. So at the current price of SPX6900, that's roughly $1,000 worth of the token. That's what I consider retail. So this is Ethereum. In the middle, we've got medium-sized retail. That's a 10x from the left chart. So $10,000 worth of the token. On the right side, we've got the whales. So that's $100,000 worth of the token. We can see how the number of whales didn't really change over the long term. We can see how this tends to even decline recently. And we also see how the smaller holders tend to buy in waves. Now the number of holders on the base chain really doesn't matter that much. It's a bit more of a smooth line, but still there's only 134 retail investors here with $1,000 worth of the token. The number of holders overall is very large. It's 60,000, but most of those wallets own pretty much nothing. If we look at the wallets that own something, it's a bit over 100, while there's roughly 20 times the number of retail investors on Ethereum. For the whale wallets, it's even more pronounced. We've got 30 times the number of whales on Ethereum versus Base. So we can really forget about the Base statistics. Solana, though, does matter to a degree. Here we've got 650 holders, so roughly 1/3 of the holders on Ethereum. We see a massive increase since the 10th of September, so in the last 3 weeks. And we also see how the number of whales is not necessarily increasing. This needs to go to 1 million, or March buyers now will make millions. This is how you get the clicks on YouTube, but this is not how you beat the market. To beat the market in crypto, you need to be better informed than the rest. You need to be better skilled than the rest. You need to do better blockchain analytics. You need to track other people's wallets and know what is the smart money doing. It's the boring educational content that forms skill that doesn't perform so well on YouTube though. That's why I created the premium membership. Feel free to check it out. We are tracking influencer wallets to find out what they are buying before promoting this on YouTube. We've got a lot of tutorials to help with on-chain analytics, to help with wallet discovery. And of course, there are also plenty of chats where we help each other, and also one-on-one conversations with me. So I'm messaging every premium member one-on-one directly. Once you're joining, you will get a message from me and you have the opportunity to directly pick my brain. Feel free to check it out. thebitcointrader.com, link is down below. Now let's have a look at just the last month. So what exactly happened while the price more than 10x'd? Let's zoom into Ethereum because that's the most important of the chains. Now we've got hourly data and we see a massive jump happening on the 12th of September. And that's also where the rally started. since then, that growth does not halt, it continues to accelerate. And so we moved from 1,700 wallets roughly, with $1,000 worth of the token, to 2,200 wallets. So roughly an increase of 500 wallets, or $500,000 worth at least, because this is minimum holding. The wallets with at least $10,000 also increased quite rapidly. The only wallets that reduced their balance is the whales. But that happened way slower compared to the accumulation, and that's why the price is going up like this. And so this rally rises and falls with retail. Currently retail accumulates very fast, thus the price is likely to, at least in the short term, continue to rise. When retail stops buying, that's probably also the time when the whale investors are going to offload. And the issue is that when they sell, the decline can be quite massive, as we have seen in the past. And so really everything is still intact, but I believe it's important to keep a trailing stop loss. It doesn't make sense to hold the token for longer than a week when the number of retail investors isn't growing, because then the whales are likely going to dump quite heavily. It seems like so far this dip to 11 cents can be an opportunity, but again it's important to manage risk, because at some point this might dump yet again, as it has in the past. I publish videos on meme coins regularly on this channel. I'm also going to make an update on SPX6900. If you don't want to miss that, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to also give this a like, it helps the channel grow. In case you've got Telegram, then you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below. Looking very much forward to chatting with you.